Most people don't lose herbs because they neglect them. They lose them because they treat them like houseplants. Herbs fail in homes because they're given houseplant rules. But herbs don't follow houseplant logic. Houseplants are grown to look good. Herbs are grown to be used. Houseplants want stability. Same pot, same spot, minimal disturbance. Herbs want action. They're food plants. They expect stress, cutting, and regrowth. When herbs aren't used, they stretch, weaken, and shut down. That's not sickness, that's confusion. With houseplants, leaving them alone is usually good advice. With herbs, it's often the fastest way to lose them. Herbs need stronger light, better airflow, and regular cutting. When herbs struggle, most people water more. That's houseplant thinking. Most herbs hate sitting in constantly wet soil. They want moisture, not drowning. Too much water doesn't save them. It finishes them. Here's the reset. Give herbs the brightest light you can. Let the soil breathe between watering. And most importantly, use them. Cut them. Harvest them. Cook with them. Stop treating herbs like decorations. Treat them like food. And they'll finally start growing the way they're supposed to.